Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can uninstall Bigo Live. So it's very easy and simple to uninstall Bigo Live application. So now in order to uninstall your application of Bigo, what you can do is long press on the application. Now once you tap on the application, three options will be appeared on your mobile phone screen, which is edit home screen, share app and remove app. So we want to uninstall this application, so what we do is tap on the remove app. Now again the three option will be appear, which is delete app, remove from home screen and cancel. So now we assume that you want to delete your application or uninstall your application. So what we do is simply go ahead and tap on the delete application or delete app. Once you do that, your application will get start to uninstall. Once the uninstall process is done, the application will be removed and the data for the application will be also deleted from your mobile phone. So yeah guys, this is how it is easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.